Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making lotus root soup with pork trotter. Without further ado, let's get started. First, take one pork trotter and carefully remove the toes, then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Next, take 200 grams of fresh lotus root, slice it into beautiful rounds, and immediately submerge them in cold water to prevent discoloration. For our mushrooms, we'll need 20 grams of rehydrated shiitake mushrooms, remove their stems, and cut them into strips. Finally, thinly slice 10 grams of fresh ginger. Fill your cooking pot halfway with water and add the pork trotter pieces along with 10 milliliters of Chinese white wine. Let this come to a boil and cook for 3 minutes. This initial blanching step is crucial for a cleaner tasting final dish. Now, heat 15 milliliters of cooking oil in your pot until it's nice and hot. Add the blanched pork pieces and stir-fry them for 2 minutes. Pour in 30 milliliters of cooking wine, add enough hot water to cover the ingredients, and drop in those ginger slices. Cover with a lid and let everything simmer for 5 minutes. After removing any foam from the surface, add your lotus root slices and shiitake mushrooms. Once everything comes to a boil, transfer the contents to your pressure cooker. Let it cook for 1 full hour. This is what gives us that wonderfully tender meat and rich, flavorful broth. Finely season with 10 grams of salt. Gently stir everything together and your dish is ready to serve. Friends, you must try our lotus root soup with pork trotter. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.